Good day, dear students. Today we are going to learn a poem, Crossing the Bar by Alfred Lord Tennyson. To understand the poem, we must understand the poet. He was an English poet. He was the poet laureate during Victorian era. Now, what is Victorian era? It's a time when England was ruled by Queen Victoria. And then wondering what is poet laureate? Poet laureate means a poet will be appointed by the Queen as a member of the royal household. He succeeded William Wordsworth. You remember William Wordsworth, Daffodils? Right. After William Wordsworth, Lord Tennyson was a poet laureate. Now, Lord Tennyson was so good with his words that many of his phrases have become common day phrases. For example, regarding the soldiers, he has said, "Theirs not to reason why, theirs but to do or die." So beautiful it is, no? Regarding the life, he has said, "The old order changeth, yielding to the new." Yes, old people must go away and the new persons must come in. Like that, there are many other beautiful verses. It's there in your workbook. Learn it. It's useful for you to write in essays. I've told you, you have to start with a hook. Make it good essays with good quotes. Now, this Lord Tennyson wrote this poem in the year 1889. He was very old by then already. He wrote this poem while on a voyage in the sea. He became sick. It was a near-death experience for him. He survived that disease, but that experience made him write this poem. It was written in 20 minutes. You can imagine what a genius he is. And maybe because his younger son Lionel was also dead by that time. Lionel was returning from India and on the way he died during the voyage and they gave him a water burial. That might have made him sad. And he liked this poem so much that he said that this poem, Crossing the Bar, must be the final poem in all his published work. So it's kept they always put Crossing the Bar as the last poem of his collections. Now, so far we understood the backdrop of the poem, how the poet came to write about it. Now the most important point, you should understand what crossing the bar is. Bar means sandbar. Sandbar is the ridge of sand that is formed by the waves when a river and two water bodies are connected. Here, Tennyson is speaking about the river and sea connection. And he is symbolizing the river as his life, his living, his life, and sea as his life after death. Now, this sandbar, that is a barrier between life and death. Still, I don't know whether you all have understood what the meaning of crossing the bar is. Try to look into the video. See how the boat is going above the turbulent waves and going to the other side. So it is like moving from life to death. He wants that movement to be smooth. That's what he's telling in this short poem. Let us watch the video.